Alright, so YouTube, what's going on? Tech King Mike, the Don King of tech, baby. Back with another video. So, I have been using the Galaxy Note 10 Plus for probably about a month now. Maybe a month next week, because I got my phone a few days early before the release date. And although I've had a couple back and forths with it, this video is kind of more geared towards, I wanted to give you guys an idea of what it's like to use this device for everything. So I not only shot a video and edited it with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, I uploaded it to YouTube as well. And I'm kind of going to just give you guys a brief rundown of what Adobe Rush looks like using the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm going to kind of try to chop it up and just kind of, shortcut a lot of stuff to make it easy for you guys so that you're not staring at the video for 10, 20, 30 minutes or whatever. And I might do a more detailed, in-depth video later on in time, but for now, I kind of wanted to just show you guys that if you're a content creator and you're looking at, stepping your game up and you're looking at wanting to kind of jump into the world of YouTube, this is all you need, man. Really and truly, this is all you need. You don't need anything else to make it happen. But of course, it's not going to hurt if you have anything else, but I'm not deterring you from buying anything or doing anything. That's not what I'm here for. I'm just letting you know that, hey, if you got a Galaxy Note 10 Plus and you have an idea or a dream of wanting to be a YouTuber or wanting to do anything involving photo and video work, you can do everything on this phone. And the video that you guys are going to be looking for is going to be the review of the camera that I'm actually shooting with right now, which is the Canon SL3. So let's dive deep. Let's take a look at the editing process and just kind of an overview of what it's like to edit with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see you in a second. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've got Adobe Rush pulled up here on the frame, and I've already went on ahead and gone through the process of kind of making this a little bit easy so I can have the video already pretty much ready to go to show you guys, to keep it a short video and not make it too long for everybody. So the main thing that you want to think about when you're doing Adobe Rush on the Note is essentially you have your video, which is this track right here, and you have the audio track as well. Now I'm going to back out of this so you guys can see you have different projects available, and it says I have no internet connection, so that's not going to be an issue. I just was finished working on this one. I actually have my phone in airplane mode for the simple fact that I was just getting a little frustrated with all the notifications that were popping up. So we're going to tap on this one here. And this is the one that I was just working on. So like I said, you have your viewing screen up here and you have your timeline down here. So I'm going to expand this so you guys can see what I got for you here. So we'll expand this out all the way. So as you can see, I got a graphic right here for an intro. I also have a title up there as well. And I have two sounds here from Epidemic Sounds. I have two songs down here that are going to be along the video as well. And essentially, it's a very simple process. It's a drag and drop. You're going to go to tap this plus button down here. And you're going to go to capture. You have the option of capture, title, media, or voiceover. So when you want to add a video or you want to add media, you go tap media. And then these are all the options that you get as well to go along with it. So you have all your local things, and then you also have Creative Cloud, Dropbox, and Sample Media. So I brought all these from the videos aspect and from audio as well. And you'll just add them, drop on the timeline, and you'll go from there. Now if you want to see the different timeline, you have this button right here that you'll tap, which is how you'll go to the timeline. And then now you can see where you have a lock, you have a sound to mute it, and you have an eye for the speed of it and things of that nature. So I'm just going to hit the play button and let you guys kind of see how it comes together when you're doing it. So let's tap the play button. Alright, so what's going on, everybody? Once again, Tech King Mike. So as you can see, it's a very simple process, very easy to do. Nothing too complicated. This isn't a long video. This video is only about 5 minutes long. And it's just a real quick review of my Canon SL3. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can add the transitions in the beginning. So you have the title button down here, and you have the transition button down here as well. So this title that I have is actually going to be that one right there, which is called the block reveal transition. And then I also have another one up there, which is a very simple, just basic title 2-line that's up there as well that goes next to it. And in the back end here, I also have two other title screens. One of them is a subscribe title, and the other one is a like button for leave a like, which you want to make sure you do leave a like. And it's really a basic format. It's nothing too complicated, nothing too hard to do. Now, what I do intend on doing for you guys is I'm going to actually make a more in-depth, detailed video for you to let you get more into it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the phone back off of airplane mode, and I'm going to show you guys what the render time and everything is like. So we might have to speed that part of the video up, but let's go on ahead and we'll hit this share button up here at the top. Now you do, again, you get that notification that you have 2 exports available for unlimited sharing. So we'll just X off of that, and that will actually share it. We'll go export. Now we'll go quality settings, automatic, 720p match frame rate. So this is what you're going to get down here. And you do have the option to share it directly to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or to another app on the Creative Cloud. But we're just going to hit export for now. And we're going to let the video render and see just about how long it's going to take. It shouldn't take too long for the video to render. As you can see, it's already kind of working its way across. So I'm going to let the video render, and then once it renders, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you guys, show you guys what the final step is going to be in the process. All right, be right back. All right, so now as you can see, the video is ready to export. So we do have all the settings down here for the resolution and the frame rate and everything. Now, I'm not going to export it through this app. I actually prefer not to use the app. I like to just do a direct upload to YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out. I'm going to upload it to YouTube. And by the time it's all said and done, you guys will see this video on my YouTube channel. And, you know, we'll just kind of go from there. So that's pretty much just a quick, brief rundown of how to use Adobe Rush. I'll actually do a more in-depth video if you guys want me to. That'll actually kind of detail the dragging and dropping, editing, cropping, and things like that. I kind of wanted to just give you guys a brief overview of how to use it. But yeah, Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Adobe Rush, recorded the video with this phone, edited it with this phone, uploaded with this phone, and I'll do all the tags and everything with this phone as well. So this is a powerhouse, man. You can't beat it. Okay, so Note 10 Plus video completely shot and edited, uploaded to YouTube of the Canon SO3 review. So both of these videos are gonna come in, they're gonna kind of come in tandem. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna drop first, but I'm gonna drop both of them around the same time. So you guys will see 2 videos from me very soon. And definitely let me know what you guys think. I think the Note 10 performed amazing. I think it did a really great job. I think it just really blew it out of the park. And all of that video was shot with the front-facing camera of this device. So I just, folks, this phone is a winner, man. This phone is a winner. It's definitely a winner, and I definitely think you should check it out if you have not. And oh, somebody got a notification from somebody. On that note, I want to say thank you guys for sticking around and watching the video. Please leave a comment down below. Please make sure you hit that like button, share, and subscribe on your way out. Make sure you hit that notification bell, ding 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 ding, so you know when I post my next video. Once again, my name is Mike. I am the Don King of Tech, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Peace.